AOS from IAG installed on my STI. You know, it wouldn't be right if we didn't go ahead and grab some type of caffeine slash energy drink to start this thing off. Just gotta love NYC traffic. Getting ready to go ahead and get on the GW bridge. There's one. Ooh, and a six. Nice. Whoa. Awesomeness. You know you made it to the right place, man. Literally, all you see is Subarus. Sweet. Huge shout out to Prime for holding it down and installing this AOS for me. Let's head inside. What's up, dude? What's going on, peeps? Nothing much. Christian made the appointment to get the AOS done on my 19 STI. Yeah, thank you. You got it. A little bit easier and put this thing passenger seat. Then I'll show you guys what it looks like before and after they put it on. Let's put the hood. All right, so I don't know if you guys have seen first video of my little mini track prep series, but we went ahead and put the Recaro Speed VC in. I'll go ahead and put a little link to it on the screen here so you can check that out. But this is what the engine bay currently looks like. You see I got that Cruise Girl strut bar, BC Racing coilovers. If you want to see how to install the coilovers, I will also put a link to that video on the screen here to make it easy for you. Yeah, this is the current situation. Don't mind my ghetto rig tape situation on my airbox. Just trying to achieve some better IATs, and believe it or not, it's actually working. So that's pretty cool. I'm excited. I can't wait to get this thing on. It's gonna be so dope. Wait till you guys see the next video. Whew. Excited. Awesomeness. You guys just saw it. Subi's now in the shop. Got another STI starting up over here. Nice. I'm gonna go ahead and include a playlist at the end of the video. That's gonna have the wheels and tires that I put on. Because of course, when you're going to the track, having good tires is extremely important, as well as the BC Racing coilovers. That's just going to improve the overall dynamics of the car. I'm going to include the Recaro Speed V video in that, the oil change and the specific type of oil that I used in the STI in preparation of going to the track, as well as what the car is getting on right now and what we have in store for coming on the next video. So stay tuned for that and subscribe. All right, so while the Subi is in the shop, I figured we can take a quick walk around. They're over here bleeding the coolant system, because the nice part about the IAG AOS is that it does run coolant through it to help with temperatures and stuff like that. Check it out real quick. Nice. You see it? Ooh, let's go. I'm fucking hyped. That's awesome. That's so awesome. Shout out to Jake, man. I just met this guy. He's over here at Prime. He just finished getting coilovers installed on his 2018 STI. You can see it looks way better. Jake, you ended up going with Fortunato, right? Yeah. Nice. Dope, yeah.
This need to help reduce the water condensation inside of the oil. So this way, you know, there's less water mixture in the oil and shit like that, and it doesn't like
break down as quickly.
Yeah.
Copy. Cool. Yeah, you know, and I saw that IAG runs the coolant line through it. You know, so does that help with oil temps or?
No, it helps keep that. So once it breathes into that,
yeah,
there's oil particles in the air that breathe into that.
Right.
So if there's no heat in there, the oil builds up and turns into like a sludge mix.
Oh, okay.
So what the coolant does is keep that bottom hot, where the oil condensation that falls in there actually breaks down away from the air, and it actually redirects back in.
Got you. Okay. Awesome. For real? Just like that, boys. We in here. Let's go. Peep this. Hold up. Get you a little closer. Oof. There we go. See, sometimes it's not always about making more power. Sometimes it's about making the car more efficient. In this scenario, that is definitely what this thing is made to do. So we're gonna actually go ahead and go upstairs and pay, and then we're out. Alrighty guys, so that is a wrap. If you like what you saw, consider subscribing to the channel. Smash that like button. Stay tuned for what's coming next, because what we have in store is pretty dope, and not that many people do it. So you can look forward to the next video. Other than that, once again, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget, never stop growing, and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.